slowly breathe out. Today is another day to mold your mindset and turn it into something amazing. Get up, set affirmations, have your errands done, be kind, be fruitful, and then share it with others. Come with me as I will explore all the quirks of the subconscious mind that will help us all to manifest abundance in all aspects of life. This is Power Consciousness Money Mindset. And say it with me, I am grateful and content with all the blessings that I have. The law of attraction simply states that which is like unto itself is drawn. We can simply picture this law from the concept of a lucky streak or downward spiral. When things are doing good for us, they will just keep on getting better. But if it's terrible, expect it to go way worse. This law only suggests that our energy is constantly attracting situations, events, and experiences that match our energy. The only way to turn things around when you experience a downward spiral is to shift your energy, which will require a lot of effort. In terms of attracting money, you do the same. When you are currently experiencing a major financial setback, it will be inevitable to freeze at the moment, and maybe you will find it hard to bounce back given the circumstances. But I want you to keep in mind that you have to switch your current state. Here are the steps for you to attract money using the law of attraction. Focus on abundance. In this step, you will have to make a list of the things you are grateful for. Let the facts sink in that those on the list are yours, and that would be enough for you to be grateful. Having a mindset that is not bound by your limitations will make you automatically attract more of the things that you already have. It is a foremost manifestation of the law of attraction because it explains how you will attract abundance by focusing on it. Shifting of mindset. There are a bunch of limiting beliefs that hinder us from becoming our higher, wealthy selves. And apparently, some of us are even afraid of money. That is due to society's effect of antagonizing money. One, it is neither inherently good nor bad. But if you're going to ask me, money leans towards the good side. Money allows freedom and comfort, which are just one of the goals we seek throughout our lifetime. We all think that the only way we can get those two is just through working hard, but no. If you can just shift your mindset that money doesn't have to be difficult, then money shall find you right away. Managing the cash flow. The advice I always get from my seniors is that don't spend more than what you have. I know we've been advocating the abundance mindset, and yet here we are trying to put a limit to your spending. I want you to put in mind that your higher wealthy self won't spend hastily on things that you don't even need. The key to becoming successful is being disciplined. The line between your wants and needs should be very clear, but at the same time, you shouldn't live in the mindset of lack. You are in an abundant state, so avoid spending like a one-day billionaire. You have the rest of your life to buy the things you desire. Live honestly. Being delusional in any given circumstance will lead to nothing but misdirection. I know I said that you should learn to think the opposite of what you're currently experiencing, but that is different from being delusional. You should still acknowledge your current financial position, including your inflow, outflow, and debts. All of that while thinking positively despite the current situation. What I've been meaning to say is just to build a healthy relationship with money without disengaging yourself from reality. Live the goal. The power of visualization makes a difference, I swear. Feeling the feeling of being wealthy or just simply aligning your frequency with abundance will bring your manifestation close to you. When you allow yourself to be in tune with it, you will easily attract it, especially when you are finally free from the chains of those limiting beliefs that make you think that you are not worthy of success. Don't be afraid of success. Everybody wants to have a lot of money at their disposal. They want it for the sake of security, comfort, and pleasure. Ironically, despite the desire to have lots of money, some are still afraid of it. They think of success as a phase where you will have to shoulder responsibilities. And if you let your mind think responsibilities are burdens, then you will never attract success. Most people don't realize that they are afraid of success even when they say that they want to be successful. What you should do when you find yourself in a similar situation is identify where your fear comes from. Is it something in the past that you witnessed? If so, try to differentiate your thoughts based on other people from your own thoughts based on your experience. Being afraid of success could be considered one of your limiting beliefs. Actually, these beliefs are too general and they could be anything. It could be something that you remembered being told when you were a kid, or could be an experience in repetitive events in your life. What you have to do is to employ positive affirmations to counter them. I am releasing any and all negative ideas and emotions concerning money, and I am glad and free to imagine my dreams. That is an example of a positive affirmation that will create a reality that is beneficial to you. What to do after switching your limiting beliefs is visualize the results. The law of attraction works like a huge photocopy machine. It will only duplicate what you project, so visualization really does a huge part in attracting money. What you set out to the world energetically will come to find you because it is what resonates with your energy. Remember that the law of attraction supports the concept of the good is only set to get better. When you think that you already have it and you are being grateful about it, the law will apply, then watch how your blessings double and triple even. Visualization acts as a motivation for you to act according to the needed actions for you to attain the results. It will also help you to develop the abundance mindset that will make you see money as attainable. Actually, that is a key factor why rich people keep on getting rich. They have an abundance mindset that tells them that the money they don't have is already theirs and is attainable. At the same time, the money that they do have is a tool that will help them have more money. Once you understand how everything about being wealthy is about a mind game, you will now also understand that the universe can give you more than you need. There is enough abundance that is enough for everybody, and that's just one thing to be grateful for. Once you feel appreciative of all the things that are being offered to you, watch how you will attract more of them. That's what you call the law of attraction. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. We will be posting more videos that will help you create a positive mindset to work towards your goal. If you want us to keep you updated, click the bell button. We will see you next time. Peace out.